my channel. I'm Rohit Tiwari, and I hope you all are doing good and keeping yourself safe. Still, we are running through this corona pandemic, so I request all of you to be careful and to be safe. Uh, I think you would have watched my earlier videos and vlogs, and you would have guessed it right that I have started my first job, and my time at Srinagar University got completed, and I graduated recently last month. But still, I get a lot of requests in the comment box that please make a blog on what degree you have done from Srinagar University, and that gave me a lot of confidence. And today, that's what I thought of putting a sort of effort. So I was a commerce student in my plus two. I had commerce, and if any one of you watching this video and doing commerce, you would be knowing that you have only limited opportunities in the educational sector when you are a commerce student. You have BCom honors, or BBA, something like that. When I heard BMS, which is what I did from Srinagar University, I got a bit confused, but at the same time, I thought this is the best I can do. So I took that course up without having any clue about it. I was not at all aware about this course. I was not at all even aware about what it is gonna offer me, right? Actually, I'll give a general introduction about the course. So Srinagar University offers this course, management course called Bachelors of Management Studies, and it is a 4 years management professional course. When I say management professional course, it kind of gives you the professionalism through what? Through courses, the variety of courses they provide, the specialization they give, and apart from the specialization, they also give you the practical exposure. So I'll explain you as we proceed in the video. So when I joined in, the first year I was clueless. What is going to happen? These are the courses, different courses, con courses or marketing courses or something like that. Later I got understood. So I'll talk about a very few segments, and also I'll talk about the Srinagar University, my own experience at Srinagar University. It is one of the most progressive private institutions we have at the moment. I must say that the kind of growth they are experiencing and the kind of changes this university is experiencing is making it a great institution. You have immense amount of opportunities inside the campus. I'll speak about all of it. Firstly, let me talk about the major courses. So major courses, when you pursue, for example, I pursued Bachelors of Management Studies, so I had major courses related to management. Apart from major courses, you have different set of courses which you can do, and that makes you different from other people. So for example, you are doing a specific degree, आप एक specific degree कर रहे हो, अगर उसी में आपको knowledge है तो आप different थोड़ा ना बनोगे. There are so many other people who are doing the same thing, right? So you have to do that special thing to become a special person, right? अगर आपको जब आप इंटरव्यू में बैठोगे, when you will be applying for the job, when you will be interviewed, the interviewer, the panelists, they look for that difference, that special difference which makes you different from other candidates, right? And this is where Srinagar University is doing a great job, let me tell you. So first is major courses. Of course, the degree, specific degree which you will be doing major courses related to that degree. Then comes the UWEs, University Wide Electives. I'll explain you what University Wide Electives is. So with the term you can understand University Wide Elective, wide, University wide. So whatever courses are offered widely in that university, you can opt any of those courses. But there's a condition. The condition is university wide electives you cannot do from your own branch or the department. So for example, I did a major degree in management. I cannot do these UWEs from my department. I have to do these university wide electives from other department. For example, I can do it from the Department of Economics, I can do it from the Department of Sociology or Engineering or anything except my own management department. That's one thing. Other thing is co-curricular courses, and we call it CCC. So this CCC, the idea of putting CCC is to get the extra knowledge about some creative courses or impactful courses, or some extra knowledge, understanding about some very useful and knowledgeable courses. For example, I did few courses. I'll mention the names. Genetic engineering, that was a bio course, but it has some basic understanding of biology, so that was very well, I think, structured. Later I did a course called literature, identity and theaters. So उस पर हमें थिएटर्स करने का मौका मिला. हम वर्कशॉप करते थे, हफ्ते में एक बार क्लास होती थी. हम बहुत कुछ अपने आप को जानने, मतलब सेल्फ आइडेंटिफिकेशन और सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन और सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, इन सब पे काम करते थे. So these courses are called CCCs. There are so many variety of courses. And you know what makes Srinathar University different is you get to choose whatever you want to. So this is an online portal, you get to choose your courses. So you feel like कि ये मुझे नहीं करना है यार course and this is what I want. You have the liberty, you have the freedom of choosing whatever you feel like, whatever you want to do. And that's what makes it a good and a, what should I say, a special university. Coming to other opportunities, I will also talk about OUR, opportunities for undergrad research. I don't see any other private institution. Also, I'll include the government institutions. I don't see any institution promoting research the way Srinathar University is promoting. So opportunities for undergrad research, with the term also आप समझ सकते हो कि वहाँ पे मौके हैं अंडरग्रेड, जो हम अंडर ग्रेजुएशन करने जा रहे हैं हमारे लिए रिसर्च करने के, वो मौके हैं. सो यू हैव अपॉर्चुनिटीज इफ यू वांट टू डू रिसर्च. फॉर एग्जांपल, आप किसी एक स्पेसिफिक फील्ड में रिसर्च करते हो, आप उसका ड्राफ्ट बना के सबमिट करो. एंड यू नो द इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट इज द यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोवाइड्स यू फंड टू कैरी ऑन दैट रिसर्च वर्क. आप रिसर्च करो, आपके गाइड होंगे under whom you will be working. For example, if you are doing something related to your own department, you will have a guide, a professor from your department who will be supporting you, who will be guiding you. And under that professor, you have to work. आप काम करो, पैसा, the money, the fund will be provided by the university. Achieve some great feat and do some great work. Publish करो, आप वो करो. That's again one more great and golden opportunity for all the undergrad who will be joining Srinathar University. Coming to other opportunity, again, there's a minor degree. That's called minor. So major, for example, I did major in BMS, Bachelor's of Management Studies. Now minor degree is something extra you want to do. So you have to complete these certain credits. So with minor, I did in communication, where I got to learn camera work, I got to learn editing, I got to learn a bit of photography and everything. So if you, for example, if you are an engineering student or something like that, and you want to pursue something very different, like a management course or something like that, you can do a minor degree, and that will give you an extra edge over other people when you compete in interview process or some sort of process, when you will be appearing for your placement process or something like that. That will make you a different person, a special person. Also, you'll be able to stand out as compared to other people. I talked about academics a lot. Coming to the extracurricular activities, the university promotes culture and sports hugely. I can't even describe. I myself was engaged so much in sports and cultural, especially volunteering and all of it, because 4 years of graduation you have a lot of opportunities. The one thing which you will regret is कि you had इतनी सारी opportunity थी, मैंने ये मिस कर दिया, because it is very hard to utilize those opportunities, all opportunities within 4 years. You have less time. I'm saying that you have less time to utilize all of it which is being provided by this university. Firstly, sports, great facilities. The department is supportive and they support sports hugely. Coming to cultural, there's a culture committee and they have so many clubs. I don't remember the exact number of clubs. So many clubs are there. So through clubs you can get engaged, you can get to learn so many things, you get the events which they organize, and practical experience is very important. I'll talk about the on-campus job opportunity. Let's talk about the on-campus job opportunity. This university provides you an opportunity called on-campus job opportunity. They call it OCJ. So apart from money, this is a process also. There's a process through which you get selected. So if a department requires few volunteers, they'll release applications, and if you think you want to work for them, fill up the application. Application भरो, आपका interview होगा, and if you get selected, Of course you'll earn money, but along with money, what is the most important thing is the experience. You are getting hand on experience, you're working with the expert people, you're working with the professionals, right? So you're getting two things, money of course, but the other thing is the work experience. That's more important. So I talked a lot about university. Coming back to the BMS course, what makes it different is its courses, practical courses, a lot of presentations which you want to work on, which boost up your confidence, which will make you work in team and groups, and which will expose you to a lot of team bonding sessions and something like that, which will also make you comfortable when you will go out and work in teams. Other thing is the internships, mandatory internship. One is social sector internship, where you have to go and work on field to experience how NGOs or some organizations are working towards the social issues or something like that. Work, grab that experience. 2 months of social sector internship, and this happens when you finish your second year. And the other thing happens is, other internship happens after finishing up your third year. That is corporate. That's what we call business sector internship. So where you'll work with a corporate organization, so get the knowledge of, like, the idea is to grab as much as possible as far as the knowledge is concerned, practical knowledge in corporates is concerned. That's one thing. So I think this is all about SNU and BMS course. But in case if you need more information or something like that, you can always put it in the comment box, and you can let me know if you need any more information about the same. I'll be very happy to make one more video on that, but let me know if I can be of any help. Thank you so much, and stay happy, stay safe, be careful, because the situation might get worse in coming days. So take care of your health, and be happy. Thank you so much. Cheers.